Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alrighty, guys. So we made it to Walmart. We here. We checked into parking spot number 16. If you're not familiar with Walmart Spark, when you pull up for a curbside pickup, normally you check into one of the parking spots they got. My Walmart just increased these parking spots all the way, numbering up to 45. Now, I've never known them to have that many orders in their system.
Really?
Or even be able to bring out that many per hour, but they might have been doing that in preparation for the new system that's coming out. So with that new system, we got a new screen when you arrive at Walmart. Now I want you guys to take a look at this right here. It's now showing you if the order is started, if they finding the items, if they're in the process of packing up the items, and if it's ready. Now this is very important for Walmart Spark drivers because one of the main things you're gonna deal with when you're doing curbside pickup is long wait times, and you never really know what step the associates may be at when it comes to getting that order done. So now we have a clearer picture and a better logistical understanding of how far along the order is. So as you can see here, my order is packing up. That's how that's the status of the order when I accepted it. And from the time that I accepted it to now driving up here, it's actually changed to being ready. And as you can see here with this next screenshot too, so it used to be you confirm you arrived and then a little screen would pop up. It would ask you what spot you in. Now, when you swipe arrived, it asks you your parking spot in a different way, but it's pretty similar though. But this next difference is now you see your driver code displayed right there in your steps for confirmation of the order. And before, it would only pop up when you hit the screen to scan the labels. So now they've separated those two screens just to make the process a little bit easier and flow a little smoothly. Now, I've been here for about 4 or 5 minutes. Let's see how long it takes them to bring this order out and if we see any other differences when it comes to the user interface with the Walmart Spark app. So I want to give a big shout out to Walmart for doing that because they are one of the few delivery apps that are always continually updating the user experience, especially on the driver's side. Picked up, it came out in a decent amount of time, but something that I did notice, I just got like a little notification on the top of my screen. I wasn't quick enough to take a screenshot, but it said this trip is now eligible for additional earnings. So let me know in the comments below, is Walmart Spark starting to add, additional earnings for that wait time even while you still on the trip? Because if so, that's gonna be a huge update, guys, and that's gonna be a game changer. This batch is already 25 bucks for 3 miles. Let's see if that changes. The geese, I'm gonna go ahead and slow down for you guys. Nice little lake too. We approaching our delivery destination. I think it's one of these lake houses right here. So other than those two screens, not seeing any other changes within the Walmart Spark app when it comes to dropping off these orders. Let's get this. It's your boy FDA Dash and Trader. Look at this. Doordash just sent me this. $14.25 for 13 miles. Let me know, guys. Y'all taking that? Because looky here, I'm about to let that thing sit. I'm not taking no order like that. No, sir. I cannot make no money driving 14 miles away, because what you got to realize is if they ordering from up here, they ain't got no food down there for me to be picking up, or they'd have been ordering from there. No, thank you. Let me know, though. Let me know in the comments below. Will you take an offer like that? And if you do you usually get an add-on, or do you get an offer when you get 15 miles away? Let me know in the comments below, guys, because I'm very curious. Now that's like gambling for me. If I'm gonna gamble, I might as well just head on over to the casino, place me an order on red, and call it a day. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I understand them people got to eat, but that order just ain't for me. I'm FDA, and I'll catch you in the next one. Dash say it's busy. But let's see what kind of orders they want to send me if it's busy, because that's a nice looking map right there. I'm not sure what they got planned for me, but I tell you this much. If they send me any crazy orders like that right there, that's crazy. I'm not taking that, guys. Listen, if you can make money delivering an order that's 14 miles away for $14, that's all base pay on that order. Now, that's a possibility you can get a stack, but gamble if you want to. I'm not gambling, guys. Here we got $5.25 for 2.8 miles. Now let's just say we multiply that. That's 3 miles. Let's say we multiply that by 5, right? You do this order right here 5 times, you're gonna make 25 bucks. Actually, like 26 bucks. But if you do that other order 5 times, you're gonna lose money. Because even though you may make 75 bucks, if you driving 75 miles, and then it's gonna be more with the round trip miles, you're gonna be losing money on an order like that. It ain't no telling how long it's gonna take you to drive 75 miles. Now, if I multiply this McDonald's order by 5, I'm pretty sure I can drive 15 miles in a lot less time than I drive 75 miles. And that's not even counting the round trip miles on that other offer. So we're gonna head over here and pick up this McDonald's, make $5 real quick, and keep it moving like that. Let's go pick up this McDonald's order, see if they got that thing ready. Look at them. They just say, guys, they got it ready. Let's get it. Got another McDonald's order, $4.25 for 1.3. I'll take that before I take that last one. They sent me $15 going 10 miles away. No, sir, I'll take this one. Made it back to McDonald's. Now, this would be the second order I got done in a 10-minute time. I would much rather do something like that than be trying to worry about driving 9 or 10 miles away for one order to a remote place where you're not going to see any more offers. So let me know what you would decide to do in the comments below. I'm about to get this money. And again, you got to know your market. I knew they was going to have this thing ready, so there was no worries right there. So we're going to be looking at a total of about 14 minutes for 2 deliveries, because this one was a mile away. Let's get it. Next up, I see $11.75 and Uber trying to mess up my video, so I'm going to decline that Uber order. And I'm going to also have to decline this order because not only is you only getting 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, 54th Street could have you waiting, and I don't understand why somebody would order a smoothie from 11 miles away. Now, the plus side to this offer is you will see orders down there because I know that area over there, but I'm trying to stay within a 2 to 3 mile radius of where I'm working at right now, and I'm not in a position where I'm trying to travel 11 miles away. $9.25 for 6.3 miles over at Penn Station, and guess what? It's gonna stay right there. Stop playing with me. Yes, sir. $8.25 for what's that? 3.2. And the best part is, it's coming right back over here while I'm dropping this order off right now. So it's the perfect order. Let's get it, Papa John's. Make sure, look, if you ain't already got one, you need to make sure you got a pizza bag so you can be in that pizza bag program. Go ahead, take a picture of that and get verified. I at least get 2 to 3 pizza orders per day. Papa John's, Pizza Hut, Little Caesars. This is all extra opportunity and extra earnings you guys could be earning. So go ahead, head on over to the Doordash website, or you can head on over to your local Pizza Hut. They might have a bag for you. Maybe your local Papa John's got a bag for you. Whatever you got to do, get you that Doordash bag, that Doordash pizza bag, and get that pizza money. Yes, sir. You already know how we do. Give you that good old pizza POV. Stop playing with me. Dang, what is going on with that car? That mug ain't got no nothing. That's crazy. All right. Front door service. Sit that down right there, pick that up right there, take that picture, boom, and we out. Doordash say it's busy today. $6.25 for 4.1. That's like the highest amount of miles I'm willing to take right now. So I'm gonna take that. And the good thing is you can get a possible stack coming out of Jersey Mike's. All right, now things are starting to look up a little bit now. We got about 21 bucks on the board on this shift. We got a $6.25 order. I'm staying within this little radius, guys, because I'm not trying to migrate outside of this and then I get in a position where I'm not getting a lot of deliveries. I'm gonna keep it just like this. See if we can get a stack coming up out of this Jersey Mike's. Oh, look at that. They having a whole soccer game over there. Go ahead, get it in, y'all. I see you. Hey, I ain't even mad. But look, we're gonna see if we can keep this going. I'm sitting at 21 right now. It's gonna be 27 after this order. Pulling up to Jersey Mike's right now. And I like this sandwich shop because they usually have, you got Jersey Mike's right here. You got Five Guys right there. We got Buffalo Wild Wings and Panera. Then you got Wingstop, Qdoba, Chipotle, Five Guys, 54th Street, Crazy Bows and Wraps. Know your market so you can know how to maximize and make that money, guys. Next up, we got a little pizza order, $6.25 for 1 mile. Took them like 7 minutes to get this thing ready. It's ridiculous, and it don't even fit in the pizza bag. But then they sent me an add-on for this spot right here, Alibi Cookies. My homie Mike owned this spot, so I said, you know what? I'll take an add-on from her. Let's see if they got it ready. All right, well, at least this one was ready to go. That last one, whoo, they had me waiting. All right, let's go ahead and drop off this little piece of action. This mug don't even fit inside the pizza bag. This one got 17-inch pieces. I mean, I got it to fit in there a little bit, but it didn't fit all the way. give a fuck about their gate. 625 for 3.4 miles over at 54th Street. Now it say deliver this one by 7:10, so that leads me to believe that this one might be ready. Let's go ahead and take that. So we pulling up to 54th Street right now, and DoorDash just sent me this $6 extra for an additional 2.6. They just gonna $6 me to death today, but that's okay. This order gonna put me at 50 bucks. Look at that nice, beautiful sunset. I got both orders in the car. 54th Street, they brung it out curbside pickup, and I got lucky at Arby's because they had that thing ready to go. Now it's 7 o'clock right now and it's getting dark. This is what I like because it gets more deliveries when it get dark. People ain't heading out to get their food. Let's get this extra 12 bucks added to the tally. $10.25 for 8 miles, no sirski. $7.75, 1.6 miles, 2 items at Walgreens. Let's do it. To Walgreens right now. Let's go up in here and shop for 2 items. See what 2 items they. Easy Walmart, no, not Walmart. That's Walmart over there. Easy DoorDash shopping deliver. Let's see. We just getting some Tenactin foot spray. Easy enough. There it is. 2 minutes of shopping, guys. 1 minute of driving. This order going right across the street. Somebody needed that foot spray and they couldn't leave the crib. Well, guess what? Don't even worry about it, big dog, because FDA Dash and Trader got you. About to hook you up. At $11.75 for 7 miles. Look at her. Find somebody else. We gonna be heading to the chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. Too bad I can't keep my hands steady. $5.25, 2 miles. Now that's the miles money ratio I like. So with this order right here, we at the 2.5 hour mark, sitting at 60 bucks. This one gonna add an extra $5 to the tally, so we're gonna be sitting at 65 for 2.5 hours with just DoorDash. That's the amazing thing. Now I did do a Walmart Spark order earlier in the day. That one came in at 25 bucks for 3 miles, I believe, or something like that. But Walmart got like a new update, so I had to leave them alone for the nighttime and go ahead and just focus all my time on one delivery app. And between my 3 main delivery apps, which is DoorDash, Walmart Spark, and Uber Eats, DoorDash was the obvious choice for the night, seeing as that food delivery is gonna be more consistent and more stable on a busy night. Now, when Walmart get their stuff together with their new system, then I can dedicate a full night to Walmart. But for right now, we just gonna be pulling up to the chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. 60 bucks in 2.5 hours. I like that. Here we at Chick-fil-A. It's my first time being here for today too. Usually I be here 3 or 4 times throughout a normal DoorDash shift, but started my DoorDash shift late tonight, so first. All right, 3337. Can barely see the fucking address. Nice. Well, guess I'll be leaving that right there. Gotta get the address. Next up, we just snatched a $7.75 for 3 miles over at Chipotle. Heading over there right now. As you can see, it is dark. Ain't even no street lights on this road. Chipotle, blop, 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 right now. And DoorDash trying to send me this add-on. An additional 7 for 3.7 at Papa John's. And look, if I was at Papa John's, I might consider taking it. But I'm not driving 4 miles outside of my zone during prime time. Y'all been seeing all the orders. People over at Chipotle, they had that thing ready to go. So now we get to keep these wheels rolling. And I would much rather take something else than that add-on they was trying to send me, because that thing would have took me pretty much to the edge of my zone, away from all these merchants over here. And then it would have been harder to make more money. I would have definitely had to drive 3.7 miles back. Probably would have made it like a 7-mile round trip. And that's just not something I'm looking for right now. I'm trying to keep it nice and easy and make this money.